back to East Coast UK. Today join me, not on the East Coast, we're not on the South Coast either. We're just over in Dartford in Kent, and we're at Bluewater. Now, I've been to Bluewater before in the past and a bit of shopping, and I have been in there already, and I'm rather busy. So I'm glad to be out in the lovely bright sunshine. What we're going to do, we're going to take the drone up, and we have got it's like it's in a bowl here. So there is, I don't know if it's a quarry at one stage, maybe somebody could tell me. And it's all been cut out. There is a lot of chalk and cliff edges over here. There we go, over there. There we are, all the way around. So obviously, when we get 120 metres from here, obviously it's not going to be 120 over there. But over there is the Queen Elizabeth II bridge. We won't be able to fly very close to it, and also because I'm using a little Neo, I won't be able to zoom in as well. But if you squint, look sort of in the picture, you should be able to see it, but I don't know. We'll see when we take the drone up anyway. flight all done. Neo's back with me by the roundabout. Right, we flew over Bluewater. Everything very impressive. John Lewis and partners there. Flew over there, and then we went up to, well, not towards the general direction of the bridge, which, as I said to you earlier, was over there. We couldn't go right up to the bridge, unfortunately, as I said, because there was geofence restrictions prevented me from doing that. But we flew as close as we could. As I said, we got the Neo, so we can't zoom in like we can on the big one, but as I was flying over Bluewater itself, large retail premises, I didn't want to take the big one over there really. So we got the little Neo. Anyway, did well. Virtually no winds, but saying that, there's a little bit of breeze coming on, so I haven't got the external mic with me today. So how this picks it up, I do not know. Probably a lot of traffic noise as well, because there's constant traffic going past. Right, that's it for now. I'm now off towards Brighton, and hopefully we do some filming there with the drone after I've done a little run. Okay, catch you again another day. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you got that bit, you know the jazz. Bye bye.